Welcome to the HOYECHI factory showroom. This is more than a display space. It is where ideas take shape, where craftsmanship becomes visible, and where festive concepts begin their journey into real-world projects. At HOYECHI, we believe in one simple promise: HOYECHI, making global festivities more joyful. What you see here is not only decoration. It is the result of design thinking, production experience, structural understanding, and years of dedication to festive lighting and large-scale holiday displays. From giant Christmas trees and decorative sculptures to lantern displays, walk-through installations, and themed seasonal projects, every piece in this showroom represents part of what we create for parks, scenic areas, shopping malls, hotels, public venues, contractors, and global buyers. For us, a successful festive project is never only about appearance. It must also work in real spaces. It must be practical to ship, efficient to install, reliable for outdoor use, and strong enough to support the experience our clients want to create. That is why we focus not only on visual effect, but also on structure, waterproof performance, durability, packaging efficiency, and project execution. Here in our showroom, you can see how different styles, scales, and solutions come together. You can see how a simple idea can grow into a complete seasonal attraction. And you can see how HOYECHI turns creative concepts into displays that bring atmosphere, interaction, and memorable moments to life. Because in the end, festive decoration is not just about filling a space. It is about creating emotion, attracting people, and making places feel alive. This is what we do at HOYECHI. We help our clients build projects that are not only beautiful, but also practical, lasting, and ready for the real world. HOYECHI, making global festivities more joyful.